Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Shelby GT500, a car that continues the legacy of performance and power that's made the Shelby name legendary for over half a century. At first glance, the 2025 GT500 means business. The front fascia is more aerodynamic than ever, featuring an enlarged carbon fiber grille for maximum cooling and a resculpted hood vent inspired by GT3 racing. The new adaptive LED headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, while the rear design gets a wider stance and a fresh take on the signature quad exhaust setup. Every line here serves a purpose to keep the car glued to the pavement. The front fascia features a massive open-mouth grille with active aero flaps that adjust airflow depending on speed and cooling demands. A carbon fiber splitter stretches low to the ground, while the hood showcases a redesigned heat extractor inspired by GT3 race cars. Step inside and you immediately feel like you're in something special. The cockpit has evolved from raw and minimalistic to driver-focused luxury. Front and center is a 13.2-inch, 2-inch SYNC4 infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Amazon Alexa. The graphics are crisp, the interface is intuitive, and the system even includes performance telemetry and lap timing. The 12.4-inch fully digital instrument cluster can be customized to show boost pressure, oil temps, G-forces, or a minimalist touch and speed readout for track mode. And for those rare moments when you're not listening to the V8, it is a 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system that fills the cabin with crystal clear sound. Under the hood lies an evolution of Ford's 5.2-liter Predator V8, now equipped with a new Eaton supercharger, revised cooling channels, and lighter internals. The result? 770 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That's a 20 horsepower increase over the 2022 model. This engine roars to life with an aggressive growl and a redline that climbs past 7,500 revoluciones por minuto. Ford's engineers have also retuned the exhaust valves, so the sound profile changes dynamically from deep and throaty in normal mode to absolute chaos in track mode. With this setup, the GT500 blasts from 0 to 60 pulgadas just 3.2 seconds and covers the quarter mile in about 10.8 seconds, putting it in the same territory as the Corvette Z06 and even the Porsche 911 Turbo S. The 2025 GT500 also embraces modern tech. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, a first for the GT500 lineup. For the ultimate performance, Ford offers the carbon fiber track package. This adds 20-inch exposed carbon fiber wheels, adjustable carbon rear wing, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and a rear seat delete for weight savings. The 2025 Shelby GT500 starts at around $92,000, while a fully loaded track package version can push close to $115,000. Available colors include Grabber Blue, Oxford White, Shadow Black, and a new limited, Vapor Silver Metallic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you choose this over a Z06 or a Demon 170? Until next time, drive safe, drive fast, and keep the spirit of the Shelby alive.